Chapter 2, Shloka 31 till 35. First, Shloka 31. Swadharmamapi cha vekshya na vikampitum dharmyadi yuddhachreyon yat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Swadharmam api cha avekshya. Avekshya, seeing or considering swadharmam, considering your own dharma, hey Arjuna, na vikampitum arhasi. You should not shake or you should not waver, hey Arjuna, says Lord Krishna. Dharmyadi yuddhachreyon yat. Dharmyadi, dharmyat hi yuddhat shreyah. So, compared to this righteous war, dharmyad yuddhat, anyat shreyah na vidyate, kshatriyasya. So, there isn't anything else which is greater for a kshatriya as compared to fighting a righteous war, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 32. Yadruchaya chopapannam swargadwaramapavritam sukina kshatriyah partha labante yuddhamidrisham. So Lord Krishna goes on to tell, Hey Partha, hey Arjuna, Sukinaha Kshatriyah. Happy are those Kshatriyas, Idrisham Yuddham Labante, who get this type of war, which is Yadruchaya Chopapannam. Yadruchaya cha Upapannam. Yadruchaya meaning without asking, coincidentally, by chance, which has been obtained. And this war is like Swargadwaram apavritam. Swargadwaram apavritam. Apavritam means open. So it is like a open door for heaven. So you can treat this war like that. Hey Arjuna, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 33. Ata chetvamimam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi tata swadharmam kirtim cha hitva papam avapsyasi. Lord Krishna goes on to tell Arjuna, Ata chetvam, now if you imam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi, this righteous war, if you do not fight, then tata swadharmam kirtim cha hitva, then you will be avoiding your duty. Kirtim cha hitva, you would lose your reputation, your fame. And papam avapsyasi, and you will incur sin. So by not fighting the war, you will be incurring sin, says Lord Krishna to Arjuna. Shloka 34. Akirtim chapi bhutani khatayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtir maranadati richyate. Lord Krishna goes on to tell Arjuna, Bhutani te, all the people to you, avyayam akirtim katayishyanti. Avyayam, unending. So they will say things which will make you lose your fame. Akirtim katayishyanti. They will say things that would reduce your fame. Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranat atirichyate. Sambhavitasya, of a person who has earned such a reputation and fame, of such a person, akirtihi maranat atirichyate. That akirti, that which will bring down his fame, maranat atirichyate. It is worse than even dying, says Lord Krishna. Shloka 35. Bhayadranaduparatam mamsyante tvam maharataah esham chatvam bahumato bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Maharataah, the great warriors, mamsyante, they will think about you that Bhayad Ranat Uparatam, out of fear, you have run away from this battle. That's what all the great warriors will think. In case you choose not to fight, the great warriors will think that it is out of fear that you have chosen to avoid this war. Esham chatvam bahumato bhutva, of such people, tvam bahumatah, you were thought of highly by them. And they, the Maharathas, yasyasi lagavam, they will treat you with disrespect. They will think in a very low manner about you. So this is what Lord Krishna tells Arjuna.